wealth is about to occur. RW, what's up? Hanging out at my buddy's house watching some hoops. Here, I'll give you guys the view. Watching the Cavaliers there. So, obviously, we're going to talk about the market a little bit, talk about what's going on. Gala has had a big day. Pepe continues to have a huge day. Couple other cryptos. How about SHIB? SHIB up 14%. Kind of shocking everybody a little bit. Moved into the 16 spot recently. We've got Bonk up 10%. But I think the lead is certainly Pepe, guys. Pepe's just doing unbelievable for a second straight day. We've reclaimed a $1 billion market cap. We talked about that in our video. Dogecoin's had a pretty good day too. Dogecoin up 10+%. There's rumored to be some big things happening with Dogecoin, some big news coming. We'll see. That's at least what's been hinted at by a Dogecoin developer. So we'll see what happens there. But yeah, life-changing wealth is happening right now, and it feels like everybody's missing it, right? It's crazy. It feels like nobody's here yet, and all the institutional money is pouring in. It's kind of crazy, right? It's like the exact opposite of 2021. 2021, it was all retail driven. Everybody and their brother was downloading Coinbase, getting into crypto, and now flash forward 3 years later in 2024, the retail money's nowhere to be found, but the institutional money is pouring in. They're done laughing about crypto. Now they're stacking it. We had record days yesterday with Bitcoin inflows on the Bitcoin ETFs. Record days for 9 of the ETFs. How many are there total? Something like 13 or something like that. 9 of the 13 set records, daily records. Bitcoin's at 57,000 and nobody cares. It's crazy. But you guys do, as we got some more people pouring in. So hit the like button on your way in. It's hard to find on here. Hit the 3 little dots. Smash the like button for us. Also, subscribe. A lot of new people coming in. A lot of new faces I haven't seen before, which is awesome. Maybe the retail money is starting to come in because we're seeing some new people come in. Back from another one. Salute. Back with another one. Yes. Jeff, what's up, man? Back with another one. Retail actually coming in. Maybe slowly, man. Maybe slowly. Yeah, Gala has been popping off. So they launched their decks today. I was supposed to interview their president today, but I couldn't because they were so busy. So we're actually doing that tomorrow. So we'll have that posted up there tomorrow. Hector, just subscribe. Appreciate you, man. Yeah, my buddy's talking to me over here. What's up, guys? Yeah, here, I got you. Let's see who we got here. Smash the like button on your way in. Hell yeah. XRP gonna melt faces. What's up, Charles? Hector just subscribed. My man, appreciate you. You know, some people were asking earlier about the metaverse. Do I think the metaverse is going to come back, or what's going to happen with the metaverse? It's kind of funny. I'm looking at like kind of what's up right now. What's trending? Mana, Decentraland is one of our top movers. We made a great trade back in 2021 on Mana. I think the metaverse will come back. I just don't know what it's going to look like, right? I think we're still trying to figure it out. But Facebook changing their name to Metaverse, or Meta, basically. Something's brewing. We're just trying to figure out what the hell it's going to look like. And, will it be Sandbox and Decentraland, or will it be some others? I don't know, or maybe it'll be SHIB's Metaverse, hopefully. We haven't heard a lot about that lately either. Charles said, this is only my second bull run. Me too, man. We're in it at the same time. XLM. Yeah, I like XLM. It moves with XRP. You going to join the stream? So, guys, this is not your father's capital over here. His video is down below in the description. Make sure you guys go subscribe. He's also a sports gambling degenerate. So if you guys want to show him some love, go subscribe. Arweave. Wojak. I remember Wojak. That thing went nuts when Bob went nuts and Pepe and all that. Remember Wojak? Mark, favorite crypto right now? Okay, nice talk.
Gotta be Cardano for me, but
Cardano.
nobody will like that one.
Cardano is that's what you own the most of. There you go. You heard it from Not Your Father's Capital right there. Cardano. I'm looking pale as hell. What the fuck? Your last video has me thinking about not missing this bull run. Felt that for sure, Hector. It's happening right now. You know, I mean, look at the charts from from October to now. I mean, you tell me what's going on from October to now. Just sub to your buddy NYFC. There you go, Jeff. Guys, join Jeff and click that subscribe button for Not Your Father's Capital in the description. Mira. I love Mira. Just talking about Mira actually with Mark right before the live stream. Arweave up 400% in 180 days. Yeah, the whole digital file storage, you know, you got Filecoin, they're the OG. They've been there forever. Oh, look at this. Look at this.
There's gonna be an echo.
Just turn that down.
Yeah, there's gonna be an echo. Too close.
Just mute it on your computer. Oh, that's crazy. What's up, Mark? Jerry Molinari said, what's up, Mark?
Jerry.
Over the last few years, I'd put off paying bills or buying groceries so I'd have money to put into XRP. Hey, that's Charles. There's a lot of people with you there, man. I mean, make sure you take care of all the necessities, though, right? But I hear you living off barely nothing. I've done that for a while. I did that for a long time. When I was living in North Carolina and Virginia, some people were. Jerry was there with me. I know Jerry was there. Jasmine, Bonk, or Pepe? Ooh, what do you think? Jasmine, Bonk, or Pepe? If you can only invest in one, that's tough.
That depends.
I mean, it's also tough because Pepe's going nuts right now. If I had to invest one right now, it's probably Jasmine because it probably has the most upside, given where it is currently, like to its all-time high. I mean,
back to the supply, but
yeah, the supply is different, but I mean, it's not a meme coin.
Gives you more upside, but Pepe from launch.
Pepe's it's back to a 1 billion. Like, how big can it get? Can it get to 10 billion?
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, what would be an amazing move right now for Pepe? 1 billion to 10 million, 10 billion? I mean, I think Jasmine can maybe more than 10x. I don't know. Bonk might be the play. I mean, if Solana goes nuts, Bonk's going to go freaking crazy. That's the thing. If you think Solana's going to have another epic run like it did in 2021, then Bonk's going to follow. Quant or Solana to 1K first? That's tough. I don't think either one hits 1K this bull run, but hope I'm wrong. But I would say probably Solana. What do you think of Animal Concert? I don't know what that is, Tony. Yeah, Madman. I would say Sol too. That's tough though. Link to 1K. Nate got keys. Who's Nate got keys? He's like must be an official YouTuber. What up, Nate? I don't know who you are, man, but welcome. I think you're like verified on here. Link to 1K. I love Chainlink, man. One of my top 7 holdings. So a lot of new folks coming in. I'll give you guys my top 7 holdings right now if you guys click the subscribe button. So click the subscribe button if you're new, and I'm going to rattle off my top 7. Some people have probably already heard this over the past 3-4 days. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Caspa, Cardano, Polygon, Chainlink, and Stacks, STX. By the way, Stacks almost hit an all-time high yesterday or today, one of the two. I'm up 4K on Jasmine, letting it ride. Nice hot Sparky. Dogecoin to $1. I hope so. Does Elon want to send it to $1? If so, it'll go. Subscribe to that dude too. He's in the description. We tried to do the dual live stream, but look at this guy. He's a poor sports gambling degenerate right now because he's losing on his parlays. Although money's still out there. Give him a subscribe, guys. What do you have to say for yourself?
I'm off the clock.
For real though, this guy got a betting channel too that's taken off. It's called The Better Mark. If you guys look that up on YouTube, The Better BETTOR Mark. Check him out. He's actually growing like crazy. Went 4 for 1 the other day. 4 and 1 the other day. You're doing great on those 7. Yeah, Jerry. I mean, I hope so. Right? We'll see. Time will tell. But I think Chainlink and Stacks are really undervalued and underappreciated, like not talked about a lot. Chainlink should have went to $1, I think, in the previous bull run. Never got there. Only got to like $50. Chainlink should be a top 10 crypto. It's like that important. It's an infrastructure play. Jerry says, "Hey Mark, how do you feel about hashtag DERACE? You know about that?
Say that again.
DERACE. Derace. Jerry wants your opinion on Derace. Does Mark use CloudBet? Do you use CloudBet?
No, NFT horse racing.
NFT horse racing.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts?
I don't know. I've never heard of it. Not really into the whole NFT game too strongly.
So he hasn't heard of it.
Horse racing, that's a different story, but
DERC. That's interesting.
Yeah.
Tell your boy Dylan Brooks over 1.5 threes tonight. Lock it in. David McCaster with the pick of the night. Let's go, David. I'm hammering that. I'm hammering that, David. Dylan Brooks over 1.5 threes tonight. Lock it in. Let's go, David. Everybody else out there, play that one. David's on a heater. What are your thoughts on Vara? Why I don't know about Vara. Have you heard about Vara? VARA? I feel like I should know about that though. I feel like I have heard about it. XRPL partnership with Zonix for tokenization. I saw that today. I ran out of freaking time to make more videos. I literally have a list of like 7 or 8 videos I want to make. That was one of them. So you don't use CloudBet, Mark?
No.
Why?
Just in person. I don't use crypto to bet.
What is CloudBet? I don't even know what that is.
Just like stake. It's like crypto gambling.
Oh, okay. CloudBet. I'm telling you guys, though, this guy, he's crushing it. The Better Mark. BETTOR Mark. Fire it up. If we get all 190 of you to go subscribe, he'll be at 1,000.
Just started a couple
weeks ago. Yeah. Seriously, though, it's like good content, too. VAR is the first standalone network in the Gear protocol. Okay. First standalone gaming platform. Interesting. I'll have to look at that. Ondo for tokenization. So it's funny you brought that up, glitching. I did my first crypto breakfast club on Monday. We're going to be doing those Monday at 9 a.m. on Twitter, on X or whatever. And somebody brought up Ondo. And so I actually, I'm going to buy it. I'm just kind of waiting right now and still learning about it a little bit, but I really like it. I got to really start digging into these cryptos that are geared more toward tokenization. I own a couple of them, but not enough. Chainlink's big in there, but there's a lot of these that are specializing, like Ondo. And that's going to be big. What do you think about XRP becoming a reserve currency? I don't think so. German Stock Exchange said. Yeah, maybe not in the U.S., I should specify. Maybe elsewhere. He said when the pressure comes from the central banks, Ripple has all what it needs once the collapse happens to be the bridge reserve currency. Interesting. Why did GRT stop pumping and other AI coins? Cooling down a little bit. I mean, AI cryptos have been going nuts. You all right over there? You good? He's sweating out some bets, guys. He's struggling, man. A lot of huffing and puffing going on over there. Just watching a sports gambler drinking a Miller Lite. Shout out to Miller Lite for sponsoring tonight's live stream. Having a brewski. Is it possible for Shiba to go to 0.001? Oh, God, I hope so. So many people need it to happen, but we need to start burning tokens. And we'll start with burning tokens that are sitting there waiting to be burned. They've been sitting there forever. We don't know what the dev team's doing.
I need to get a match.
Miller time, Brian said. Miller time. That's right, Brian. It's Miller time. Is it possible for Shiba can go to 0.00? Oh, that's the same comment. Your thoughts on ENS? Goodbye. Ethereum name service. So we traded that one back in 2021. That thing is volatile as hell. I think it's a good long-term buy too. Yeah, ENS. It was so volatile last bull market. It was a great thing. I wish I had my trading indicator back then. Wish I had XT Algo back then because that would have been. We did okay on that. I mean, we were just throwing darts and hitting bullseye, but I can't wait for this bull run to have this indicator now. We've been crushing it with a lot of altcoins lately. Links are down below if you guys are interested. Make sure you use the discount code if you do want to try it. Full 30-day money back guarantee. So you can kind of try it sweat free, if you will, because you can get your money back if you don't like it. But I'm telling you guys, you're going to love it. I got had like 4 or 5 emails, testimonials, people using it. We've had a big uptick in the last month of people hopping on too. Are you a Shiba fan or no? Gosh, yeah, been talking about SHIB. It kind of allowed me to grow on YouTube. That was the first crypto that popped on my channel back in May 2021. But we've definitely branched out from there and, you know, cover all kind of things now. Cockino, yeah, I heard about that. That's freaking hilarious.
Is that with a K?
Cockino, yeah. K-O-Q. Cockino. Smash the like button for Cockino, guys. Go ahead and hammer the like button. I guarantee. Yep. See, there's a like. People are gonna hammer the like button for Cockino. I know it. This thing's gonna freaking jump up now.
Absolutely swallow that cock.
Absolutely smash that Cockino, or yeah, the like button. This cat's drinking beer. He can't even keep his shit together. This is what you look like when you're a degenerate sports gambler, guys.
Wish I was an influencer.
He's trying to be an influencer. He's on his way. He's growing the crypto channel. If you want to help him grow, the link's down below in the description. I mean, this guy needs some subscribers. I mean, look at this guy. He needs some subscribers. I mean, Jesus, he's almost got 5,000. He's trying to.
Oh God, I feel like I'm cattle.
He's trying to quit his job. Guys, this guy's trying to get out of the rat race, the 9 to 5. We get him to 5K. It's all over.
I'm doing that in crypto, not on YouTube.
But no, you got the better Mark channel too. Should have linked that down there. My man is sweating. Jerry said my man is sweating. Dude, what do you got in this game?
This game, I have nothing. I'm just being a Cavs fan right now.
Just watching this one. It's always nice when you're just watching it. 82-81. We're both Cavs fans. They were winning this whole game, and now they're fucking blowing it. Mr. Wales said, "Look at this guy. He lost all his hair from losing." So did I.
Oh, yeah. Family thing.
Akash, you said my name perfectly. People struggle to read my name. I got you, bro. The next big thing, ERC 404 tokens. Interesting. Yeah, BB, isn't there one recently that Mr. Wales said sweating like a hooker in church? I shouldn't have said that. It asked me if I wanted to show it or hide it, but I could still see it.
Show what, the hooker? She's just right there.
No, not the hooker, the comment. 223 people watching Mark right now. Just look at his laptop. Like, what is he looking at over there? Parlays.
That's ready for tomorrow.
He's looking at losing parlays right now, guys.
No, I'm checking some tickers too. We got some nice candles.
We got his dog down here, Drake. Look at Drake, just cashed out, just chilling. Drake's down here having a day. Oh, what do we got here? People are loving it. Hey, Zach, check out Pause Swap token. Heard about that. Had a big run up. Remember it?
Yeah.
I don't know. What's it at now, though? Is it still doing well? Mint layer, pretty good. What? You guys roommates? No, just best friends. Been best friends since high school. Not the hooker. Have you seen the movie Dumb Money? Why does that sound familiar? Dumb Money. It's a sports gambling movie, ain't it? Glitching?
I've never seen it.
The dog is used to it. Yeah. The dog's used to taking L's on parlays. Oh, shit. Sorry, guys. Hit the mute button. Alan Humphrey, almost cousin. What's up? What do you have to say for yourself? Oh, you can zoom on here. Look at this. Dude, we're going to watch his reactions. Just.
We got to get that going. I got to get that stuff live.
We're watching a sports gambling degenerate right now in his element.
Hey, you got more money on these games than I do.
I don't have. If it was my other phone, hey, we hit Dallas Mavericks first quarter, and they've been trailing ever since. Let's go. Mavs first quarter by 1, and then they were down 10 in the second quarter, like within a minute. Yeah, it should be good now. Sorry, I hit the mute button. Bitcoin dialing back a little bit, 56.8. Yeah, 56.8. Gala back at 4 cents. Jeff, appreciate the $2 donation, man. Thank you. You don't have to do that. Just to tell me I was muted. I appreciate it.
Here, let me mute you.
Hey, shut the hell up. He said, let me mute you. Look at this jamoke.
$2 is $2. Jesus, grab me.
Look at Pepe, guys. Oh my goodness. 52%.
Are you completely out of Pepe?
No, I actually bought some at the 11 level a while back and just held it. I bought an ETH worth. You in it? You in Pepe?
Not anymore.
I traded it. I got in at $100 million market cap, got out at like 1.2 billion. Then I think it went to 1.6 or 1.7 billion. Hornets are down. Medman said Hornets are down. You got the Hornets tonight? Tell them to buy more hair.
Tell them to come over to the channel, the better market.
Mark, Cass put a $5. What do you got? What do you say?
Anything's possible. I mean,
did you get Mark or did you get him into crypto? Wait, what?
Well, can I answer the question?
I got you into crypto,
can I answer
dude.
The question?
I got you into crypto. But yeah, go ahead.
I would say I was in crypto before Zach, probably, but not to his level. And he got me into YouTube. So
there you go.
That way.
Yeah, that's fair.
My first crypto was way back when.
Actually, Jasmine?
It was AMP. AMP was my first crypto I bought.
When did you buy?
No, I take that back. Bitcoin was. But yeah, actually, that's a funny story with Bitcoin. I had a Papa John's kind of story with that one.
Oh, a pizza Bitcoin story. Yeah. Did you really?
Yeah. It was actually with gambling too.
Oh, Bovada. I had a story like that too.
I had $300 in Bitcoin in 2000. It was before 2012. So I think it was 2000. Actually, no, it was 2009.
Here, speak to the people. Here, just take it. No, tell them the story.
No, I had about, when I was in college in 2009, basically had the option to cash out for, like, I want to say it was 10% more. So, you know, a college kid, you're going to obviously take the free money, and took the Bitcoin. Took the Bitcoin 10% bonus for cashing out with Bitcoin. And then it was so techie back then that, like, you know, I was just like, basically, what the hell am I going to do with Bitcoin? What is Bitcoin? And as a college kid, you just want the cash. So that money blew. So funny story. I can do the zeros for you guys if you want to. But
dude, you know what I did? I have a similar story from. You remember Bovada?
Yeah, it was basically the same shit.
Bovada used to be like the offshore gambling channel, the only way you can gamble. And of course, we're still degenerate. I'm still a degenerate. So is he, and like that's why I got into crypto. But anyway, was sports gambling on the Super Bowl. I put like $1,000 on it. Didn't have any money to spend either. I was like an idiot, and won. Like got it up to like 2,500, and at that time it was damn near a full Bitcoin. It might have been a full Bitcoin. If not, it was really close. This was like 2016. And so I went and at that time, the Cash App was the only, Cash App was the first to implement the Lightning Network. So like when you own your Bitcoin on Cash App, it's actually your Bitcoin, which is kind of sweet. A lot of people don't know that. The fees are kind of crazy, but you actually own your Bitcoin on Cash App, which is kind of nuts. That's why they sponsored the 2022 big event. Remember in Miami? We were there. But anyway, when I cashed out to a Bitcoin Cash address instead of the Bitcoin address. I sent it to Bitcoin Cash. Gone. Gone forever. Just gone. I mean, so there's 50 grand. Mr. Well said you look like a chia pet. Well, so do I, dude. So talk your shit.
We also have hair.
Hey, I've been called a lot worse on live streams. I'll take it. Should have got a hair transplant. Maybe I was thinking about going to Turkey when I first started going bald. Now I just like being bald. People are laughing their ass off at that. Damn, bro. Sorry to hear that. Yeah, on the Bitcoin story. Yeah, man. I mean, is what it is.
Actually,
here. Talk to the people. Oh, make sure it's not muted.
Oh God. Check it out, guys. I mean, that's pretty good. That's pretty good, actually. But I thought we were talking about crypto, but no. If you guys shave your own head, I did the math. That's about $3,000 to $4,000 a year. Just put it all into crypto, guys. That's what we're here for. So I'd rather have crypto than hair. So as a whale, you should know that. So just want to pass that along to the non-whales here in the chat. But check it out.
Throwing some zingers. So I got a video coming out tonight, guys. I know this is kind of just more like chill live streams, as you guys know. If you haven't already, though, subscribe, hit the like button, do all that good stuff. Got a video coming out tonight on Coinbase versus SEC. Coinbase versus SEC. Definitely something we've kind of forgotten about, myself included, but I revisited it today. Actually saw a couple of people talk about it, and it got me thinking. So there's a video coming out tonight. Make sure you check that out. I think it's about to drop in like an hour. Mr. Whale said you guys are awesome. Are you still buying Bad Idea AI? So I made a really good trade on Bad. I own a little bit, kind of just like holding it, see what happens. But I don't own a ton right now. I want to see what they're going to do. I really like their main developer. Had a chance. I met with him personally on Zoom. Was really impressed. He also is on the K9 Finance. They hired him as an advisor for K9, which that's launching next month. There's a lot of new launches coming next month. A lot. If you guys have been listening to me all year, I'm trying to do kind of more like VC style investing. K9 Finance is one that I put the most into, if that gives you an idea. I've invested in 14 of them. Alvara just sold out their IDO yesterday. That's another one. That Tenzit protocol or Tenzit launchpad, they've launched 30, 40, 50, 60 X's, a lot of them. So be on the lookout for anything that comes on the Tenzit, TENSET launchpad. And then this one that's coming is Alvara. I put a little bit into that as well. What is happening in crypto? What is crazy? The prices, man. The prices. I mean, look at Bitcoin. 57K. It's insane. No more bad launches. Devs who are pushing organic growth. Well, it's definitely going to happen. It's crypto, right? But as I always say, like, you're going to lose more than you win. But when you win big. It wipes out the losses. Whether it's meme coins, new things in DeFi, gaming, whatever it is, anything new is super risky. Alvara protocol. Not hyphenated, but yeah, just Alvara protocol. Here, I'll pull it up on my other phone for you. I got you. We mentioned it at the top, but Gala Games has had a really good day. Looking forward to that interview tomorrow. Here it is right here. This is what it looks like. Alvara protocol. I don't know if you can see that. It's not focusing. That's what it looks like. It's just at Alvara protocol. Check it out. They're listing on Uniswap on March 4th. They just sold out their IDO, 2.4 million. Oh, Toledo's losing by 3. Oh shit, he's on Toledo, guys.
No, it's over.
Oh, it's a game. Oh, what'd you have? The over. What was the over?
Like 150 or so. Toledo's, I think, We just won by like 20.
The under hit. Always bet under in sports, guys. Overs are sucker bets. Everybody likes to bet the over, but bet the under. Always bet the under when in doubt. Zach and Mark, where do you guys think Bitcoin will be before the halving? It's already blew my expectations. I didn't think we'd be here. I thought we'd be at 45,000 before the halving, maybe.
Hell no.
A little bit of a pullback. I thought we'd pull back. Like,
I'm actually shocked.
And we still might. I mean, we still have March. I mean, it still could pull back. As volatile as this market is, and as much as we've went up, I'm not ruling it out. Like, it could happen.
I'm just so shocked that we're not seeing like everything going nuts right now, and that's what's kind of got like we need more new people into crypto. That's
I agree.
I don't want the prices going up. I want like the demand to go up. The prices could stay the same, but let's get adoption up. Let's get the people up, because 2021 was all like, if everybody knows where like crypto is going to be, like if Bitcoin hits that 100K and everyone's like, okay, well Bitcoin can't go up anymore, then who's going to want to get into like startups? Who's going to want to get into, you know? So I kind of want the build up. I want the demand, because we know where stuff's going, but we gotta go. And I don't think we're gonna go the way we're at right now with Bitcoin, the only one running. I mean, I know everything has
that's true,
but like, I mean, like we're talking bull cycle, and this is not reminiscing 2021.
Well, like I was thinking about this, like, yeah, you're right. And like, why is that? Is it just because people don't have the money? Like after COVID, like people are hurting, like people don't have the capital. They were burnt by Bitcoin and crypto.
I think it's a sour taste.
A lot of people got in at the peak.
Look at me. Like that was where
a lot of people got wrecked. A lot of people got wrecked.
Yeah, and we won money, but we lost big on a lot of not even startups, just straight up blue blood cryptos that
just held the bag.
I mean, shit. The one night Russia went to hell, and then
we thought World War III was starting. World War III
was happening. Everybody sold out. Next thing you know, crypto's up 60% next day. If you held on through that, man, you either were like, I
remember that. That's when everything tanked hard.
Or you just had balls of steel. But that was something where literally we thought the nuke buttons were getting pressed and crypto would not be around.
Yeah. Well, I mean, and all the narratives were like Bitcoin to 10K, Bitcoin to 5K, Ethereum to 300.
We weren't into like Cardano, Solana, Bitcoin. Like I mean, everybody has ETH, but like we were in some hilarious startups that just they hedged their bets. They pulled, that's how the rug pull started, with all the conflicts, and it's just added volatility.
Like all the scams and rug pulls heat up when the market heats up, because they know that there's more new people in the game. They know that like the capital's flowing everywhere and they can get away with it. I mean, there's still a lot of people here though. Like there are still a lot of people who kind of went through this whole thing, which is good. LifeTube, thanks for the super chat, man. Appreciate you. Let's celebrate their 10th super on a live stream. Hell yeah. That's our 10th super on a live stream in the last few days.
What?
I don't know. A little pop-up on here.
I don't think any of those people that are in the chat are subscribed to me. I don't see any of them face.
Are you guys subscribing to Mark in the description of this live stream?
I see Jerry. I see the whale a little bit. That's about it. We'll go up a little bit.
Guys, subscribe to Not Your Father's Capital. Links down below in the description. Just think of the nuttiness after the election, Tori said.
How about right before? That's when.
I mean, do you think crypto is going to do well during the election, or do you think it depends on the outcome?
Like, I think it's going to pump super hard before it, regardless.
I think the whole stock market, everything. I mean, look at the stock market right now.
Well,
stock market's pumping. I mean, whether it's artificial or not, like
if Biden
S&P 500 is just going nuts.
If Biden debates Trump one time on national television, the markets are going to go nuts. Straight up. I don't care if you're.
I don't know what's going to happen. Right. I don't know if they're going to debate. They have to, though, right?
If that happens, you're going to see a lot of bullishness, and you're going to see a lot of Trump memes. You're going to see a lot of memes,
Guys, just want to say thank you too. We crossed over 126K. These last few days have been awesome on these lives. If you haven't subscribed yet, I know a lot of you guys are new here. I'm here every single day doing our best to navigate crypto best we can. So click that subscribe button, and also click the subscribe button also in the description for Mark. He's here also every day, putting multiple videos out, grinding. We appreciate it. When all is said and done, you think there will be a 90% correction. Well, in bear markets, there is, but I think we're out of the bear market now. But the day will come where the top will be the top of this market cycle, and it will start to sell off. Stacks is king. How about Stacks? Stacks has been crushing it. You know about Stacks? Basically, all these Bitcoin layer twos. Ordinal's another one that's been crushing it.
It's kind of interesting. Too bad there's no like maxis that could like help with that whole debate. And, you know,
I think so the way I'm looking at it is like, how can you get exposure to Bitcoin with more upside? Stacks, ordinals,
ETFs.
No. I mean
saying,
like cryptos that are like tied to Bitcoin.
Yeah.
You know, Stacks, ordinal. This one not as much, but like Caspa is kind of a new age Bitcoin. I feel like that narrative is going to stick. Like Caspa is the new Bitcoin.
Yeah.
That's a narrative. Like that is going to play out, I think, because it literally is. It's literally Bitcoin consensus model recoded, redesigned. I think a lot of people who miss Bitcoin are going to look at, okay, what's the next Bitcoin? From a technical standpoint, it's Caspa. Dude, how is Dallas winning by 8 right now?
Because you're live streaming instead of rooting for your team.
Jeez, oh man. Jerry said, come on, guys, give Mark some love and subscribe.
I love Jerry. He's always on the channel.
Jerry Molinari is the man. Great name, too. Jerry Molinari. Sound like a professional golfer, you know? Are you Francisco Molinari? Jerry Molinari. Jerry Molinari. I can see that.
Like a township official.
Like vote Jerry Molinari this year for. Still wondering who to vote for this year? Vote Jerry Molinari. I like it. Jerry, you're the man. I'll drink to that.
Bang, bang. I need one more 3 from Steph. One more 3.
You guys want to hear what Mark's betting on? You guys want to know the breakdown?
If they want to hear it, tell them check out the channel.
Oh, check out the better Mark.
Yeah.
The better Mark.
Yeah. Full disclosure. Full disclosure.
Here, let them know.
No, they know.
Here, I'll pull it up on my phone here, so you guys know where to go. The better Mark.
Take some time away from crypto though. It's tough. It's hard managing both. But I gamble
Mark.
every single day. Crypto.
Here, hold on. I'll give you the phone. Hold on.
I don't want to talk.
But guys, the better Mark. Check him out. This cat's on some heaters. Look at him. NCAA, NBA, NHL. If you want to go full degen, follow this cat.
All right, guys, let's get this chat fired up. We haven't really crossed over that 250 line, all right? But we need to figure out, we kind of need to get the consensus. What's the best play? Oh, and we got that 3 from Steph. Bang, bang. That's what we like to see. We're live. But, yeah, if you guys like some good old-fashioned sports betting, that's my true passion before crypto. And I just love numbers. That's why I'm into crypto. I'm a numbers guy at heart, and it's kind of my thing. So love talking about both areas, but make a little bit more money with crypto to be fully transparent. But don't play sports anymore. So
if you're building a portfolio with 5 altcoins for the bull run, what are you building?
Solana got potential.
Okay. You can only pick 5. You got to build a portfolio. You got $5,000 to start a portfolio. You're going to put $1,000 in each.
Yeah, that's we talked about doing that just for like to show everybody kind of the results.
Be a good video too.
Yeah, I mean it's kind of tough because I have so much money and stuff that like for the purpose of that discussion, I could ace it, but like we're kind of committed from prior years.
Yeah.
Aptos, definitely Aptos. That's kind of like
Solana, Aptos.
That's what I'm H bar. Love H bar. Just for potential's sake, right? So common trend. A lot of the layer ones we talked about. Layer ones are kind of booming. If you see, I mean, there's a lot of obviously there's a lot of FUD with Solana, but and some of the other ones that had some VC turnout, but it's something where they're kind of positioned, and there's something to be said about doing the old-fashioned way. But it seems to be crypto's evolving, and that's kind of where we're at. But it's gonna be interesting because this Bitcoin halving, I think, is gonna really be a precursor to whether we're going up or down. If you look at the historical trends, it's kind of a mixed bag. So, everybody's hype about it. Everybody's getting that FOMO and
we've never had
that hysteria.
We've never. That's the difference.
But
had ETFs, like, because usually before the halving you get the sell off.
But like I'm just worried that like all that money's like it's getting washed. Like they're taking it in, selling ETFs, but then they're liquidating into fiat. You know what I mean? Like they're just washing crypto to cash out US dollars.
Yesterday, the biggest inflows in the ETFs at $55,000. Like that's crazy. Like, why? You're buying at 55,000, not to lose. I mean,
yeah,
billions of dollars. I mean, that's crazy.
Well, we all buy crypto for different reasons. So
yeah.
And
the other thing is the Coinbase versus SEC. That's going to be huge for altcoins. So is Ripple, but people,
I got
maybe forgetting a little bit, including myself until today. Like that's why I made that video. The Coinbase versus SEC, there were 13 cryptos listed.
Yeah.
Polygon, Cardano. Like, dude, if Coinbase wins that case, like Dan Gambardello, our fellow content creator, he expects those cryptos to pump 50 to 150%.
Yeah. Well,
I don't know. I mean, do you think?
I mean, but then like on the other hand, like we get like 20 ETFs. We get 35,000 ETFs, right? Every niche has an ETF. AI, we get altcoins, meme coins. I mean, how much pie? That's what I'm saying. We need adoption of how much of that pie is there to go around? Let's get above that 5%. That's where I'm at. And I don't even think we're at 5%. Bang bang, count it. Little D Mitch for you guys.
Show the people.
But
15-3 run, dude.
Yeah.
15.
Huge Cavs fans. For those of you that are liking the NBA, kind of grew up during the era of LeBron. So for those of you from the Chicago area, you can relate how tough it is to adapt to the post GOAT era. It's kind of like being a Patriots fan right now with no Tom Brady. It's kind of rough, but
it's kind of weird. Yeah.
It's just weird. It's weird without LeBron. So Donovan Mitchell's a huge signing, but yeah, if you guys like sports, check out my sports channel at The Better Mark.
Oh, that was terrible. Why? No foul?
Yeah, no foul.
Oh, it was tipped.
Sorry, guys. Last minute heroics. Yeah.
Flip it.
Are we allowed to do that?
Yeah, flip it.
We want to do some voiceovers and like, here we go.
Zoom out. Hell yeah. Come on, get a stop.
There we go. He's riding.
Offensive foul. The hook. The Kyrie hook. He always does it too.
Yeah.
He always does it. They got you.
That about locks it up. But yeah, truthfully, guys, it doesn't get a lot of run because everybody has moral and like social beliefs, especially in different countries. And crypto's a global sport, if you will, worldwide. But quite frankly, Bitcoin halving's cool and all that. ETFs are cool, but if we get some bullishness from the election, I think that's enough from a congressional standpoint to really shift everything. And you can say what you want, but it's just crazy. I think what we can have happen, not just within crypto, but within stocks and just the economy, and kind of changing some policies that would really be more pro making money, letting the boys be boys. Shout out to all the ladies in the chat.
Oh, he banked it home.
But
Donovan just banked it home.
But yeah, put your thoughts down below in the comments. What are you guys thinking on that regard? What do you think it's going to take for crypto to take off? You know what I mean? Let's open up that discussion, because me and Zach, we're just one voice. So
you banked that. That's hilarious.
But I'll give it back to the host.
Oh, dude, you were doing great. He was doing great. First pump, then a 20% dump. Life tube. Come on, guys, give Mark some love and subscribe. Oh no, I'm way gone here. Oh gosh, we got a lot of messages held for review. We got Jade said pop a tit. Nice. Jade just said pop a tit like 18 times. All right, Jade. Welcome.
Have a day.
Have a day, Jade. Pop a tit, kid.
What is that?
Dabs 509. Dude, you are a scammer. All right, Dabs, have a day, kid. Talk shit. What the hell, man? You can't win them all, guys. But I know it's easy to point the fingers at YouTubers. I get it.
And that Draymond 7.5 come home.
Who you talking to, Dabs? Next level, get him. Next level's on my. He got my back. Probably me. She thinks I'm a scammer. Oh, Mr. Whale. Well, I've been called that too. So
Mr. Whale's a scammer.
Mr. Whale, we've all been called similar things. It is what it is.
I swear to God, if Trump came out and said flat out, like this comment right here by Yes K Hi, Yes Hi.
I missed that.
It's at the bottom.
Get out of there.
If Trump came out and just said either no crypto tax or flat crypto tax,
that'd be insane. God. That'd be insane. Wait a minute. Do you guys know? Does anybody in the comments, or do you know? Did they change? Or is this always been the thing? So on this live stream the other night, if you hold crypto, this is what somebody said. If you hold crypto for 8 months, there's no capital gains.
I didn't hear that.
Is that a thing? I don't think that's a thing.
Tell Dirk Dia, thanks for the love.
Wait, who is it? I didn't see it. Taking contributions to fund my campaign. Please donate in Bitcoin or ETH. Jerry Molinari. Molinari for Degenerate of the Year. Let's go, Jerry. Jerry. We need a libertarian in there. I hear you, Tori. I wouldn't mind it. I think most people are libertarians, and they just don't. They don't even know. They don't even know it.
They know.
Right? I mean, I feel like a lot of people are fiscally conservative and, what do you call it? Socially
they're
liberal.
Closet Republicans.
Yeah.
That's what it comes down to.
Not really. I mean, because there's some crazy Republicans that are like, you know.
There's a ton of Democrat officials that voted.
There's crazy on both sides, but
there's people in office right now that voted for Trump. Straight up.
Yeah. Honestly, dude, anymore, I don't care as long as they're crypto friendly. Like, you know what I mean? I don't care. Like,
crypto friendly.
No freaking president's gonna help you get to where you want to go in life.
Live your life friendly, and don't let people come over from Venezuela and like all over the place for free.
Well, they got to do something about the border. The border's a mess. Hold on to the ball. What are they doing?
Well, I think that's a first down.
I mean, dude, there's no foul here. How is that not a foul? Libby 2.0. Stop ignoring my emails. I don't think you're emailing us. I haven't got one email from you. Most people are libertarian, but the government divides us by the two radical parties. 100%. I think they're all on the same team, to be honest. They all vacation in the same places.
They all,
you know, they all sing Kumbaya.
they all fucking sing.
Mark needs to win this game. Someone get Taylor Swift. That's hilarious.
Who said that?
Mr. Whale.
Love it.
The capital gains tax rate you'll pay on your crypto depends on how long you've held your asset and how much you earn. If you've held crypto for less than a year, you'll pay a short-term capital gain. Okay, that's what I thought. Somebody said it was changing to 8 months.
But like, why does it depend on how much? Because that's always been the traditional rule. 1 year has always been the
1 year is always with in any asset.
Yeah.
Or security, any security or crypto. I don't know, man. I pay my fair share in freaking taxes. I'll tell you that. It's ridiculous, actually. I wish we just knew what happened to that money. You know what I mean? Like, it'd be good to know, like, it's going to a good thing.
Like, sex changes and shit.
Jeremiah, my sister got hit by a truck. Dude, that's terrible. If you're being honest, or if you're being serious. There's a lot of trolls out here tonight. A lot of trolls. Well, we got another one. We got Shamima. Why ignore my emails? Here we go. Guys, who are these people? Bots. They're bots.
They voted for Biden.
They're bots. We got to clean these bots up, man. You know what? I'm voting for whoever cleans these bots up. Let's make that an issue. We got to clean up these bots on every platform.
Make America bot it again.
Look at it. Look at this dog just waiting, dude. Guys, look at this. Cat is ready. Look at him. Cat is freaking ready. Look at this. Dude, do you think this cat gives a shit? Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Holy frick! Who's in there talking about Who was talking about the Charlotte Hornets in the chat?
Somebody.
Who was talking about the Charlotte Hornets in the chat?
I don't know. Does Dylan Brooks have one and a half
Oh my
threes?
god!
Are they winning?
What do you think the score was at halftime for the Charlotte Hornets game?
I don't know.
Are you absolutely? Is this a joke?
No.
Bro. Take a guess what the score was at halftime.
I don't know.
Bro.
Charlotte Hornets at half.
It was 58-26 at halftime.
Who?
Milwaukee.
That's insane.
That's even worse.
Insane.
No, you're good. We're live. That's good. Cavs. That was Mark's wife. Fired up about the Cavs. Oh, he's trying to stay low profile. Sorry.
Look at this. Missed a half court shot. Look at Struz. Look, you're missing Struz to win the game.
It's going to overtime?
No, he won the fucking game.
Oh my god, he won the game.
You're over here backing off.
Oh my gosh, guys, he just won the game. Look at this. Oh my god, Drake in the camera too. That was for the win.
Look at the guys. You see the bargain boards?
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Dude, why weren't we at this game?
Because you wanted to go live on your phone.
Oh my gosh. Look at the Cavs.
Mavs covered.
Holy shit. Epic. All right, guys, we gotta go. We gotta go celebrate. Been on for an hour, right? Make sure you guys subscribe to this guy down below in the description. Thanks for coming to a degenerate live stream.
Cheers.
Cheers. Peace out, guys. Cheers. Don't forget to subscribe. I got more videos coming out tonight, too. Check it out. Peace.